This is the grill, and here's what I got cooking. You can see it's a little under 100 degrees, and these guys are loving it. Look at these guys. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they are having some fun. Waiting for Mama to come back to give them some food. They have been hatched for about 4 to 5 days now. The eyes are now out, as you can see, and Mama has been taking care of them really well. And after they leave the nest, I'll be able to cook out again, but not right now. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and close it back up and see if they actually survive. Hopefully they do, and then we will be able to shut it down and start cooking again.